guys? So recently you guys have been seeing that I have been hitting a small dirt bike jump. Like I said in my Instagram and YouTube videos, it was my first time hitting a dirt bike jump. So recently we have maxed out that jump, and today we have decided to build a bigger jump to go bigger and farther. So this one is a lot bigger than the one we've been hitting, and it's seriously intimidating. It's just walking up to it is like really scary, but we're both excited. Dimitri's been putting in a hell of a lot of work to get this thing up and ready to go. We're trying to get this shit done today, but it's a lot of work. So hopefully this jump is not as scary as it looks, and we can jump a lot farther and go a lot bigger with this ramp. Behind the scenes video, I really had to give Dimitri all the credit. He's been putting in a ton of work. He built the entire last ramp. I'll put the link in the description below for this video for you guys to go check out the first ramp build that he did. He did an amazing job on that. He's put in all the hard work. He knows how to build all these ramps, and I'm just here for the ride. I help him out here and there, but for the most part, he is the one who has made this all possible. The ramp is all done. We're going to skip out on painting it for now. We're going to load it up and we're going to bring it to the spot. We're both really excited, really nervous. It's heavy as hell. It's so freaking heavy, dude. We carried it, set it up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to our landing. The trees are cut down. Now we just gotta transform this mountain of dirt into a good landing. We'll be all set.
Oh my god! Yo, my heart was just in my stomach, bro! Yo!
Oh my god. I don't want to go. Yeah, I got this. Come on. Look at it. Ready?
Get it, buddy.
Oh!
He cleared the whole thing. Yeah, buddy. There it is. Yo, he just cleared it. Yeah.
Hey, dude.
Yeah, buddy.
You got that, bro.
All right, so Jake and I are feeling pretty comfortable on the ramp the way it is right now. And right now we're jumping on average about 28-ish feet, which is 8 foot further than our record already. But I think we're gonna move it back another 2 foot. And I think we're gonna go and try and hit 30 foot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, let's get it. I got this.
Yeah! Nice!
All right, guys, we're going to move the ramp another 2 foot back. 32 feet? Yeah. 32 feet. Plus some rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, I'm going first. Let's get it, baby. Holy fuck, man. Holy shit. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, another 2 foot back. Oh, 34. The metal, baby. Yeah.
25 feet, buddy. Call it that?
Yeah, buddy. 35 foot, man. Heck yeah.
Hit it first and gave me the confidence to sit there and send it. And the thing feels great. We just cannot stop riding it. It is so much fun. And it makes you just want to go bigger and faster and higher.
The thing with this ramp is that you have to go faster to get the air. It's not even that scary. You want to be on that throttle. You just float through the air. I was so excited to hit it first. My adrenaline was running and he was like, I don't know if I want to do it. I was like, yo, I'm ready, I'm doing it. I just sent it and it worked out. And now we're just flying through the air. This ramp feels amazing, you guys. Absolutely insane.
Yeah, it's wild, man.
Guys, that shit was absolutely crazy. I didn't even know what to say. We had a crazy day. Dimitri jumped this entire thing. He started at what, 7 this morning?
7 this morning.
Whole jump this morning. And I'm actually at a loss for words. This day was crazy. We just started jumping dirt bikes the other day on this small ass ramp, you guys. And we were terrified to jump this. Now we're on this bigger ramp and we're jumping 35 feet, you guys. That is crazy. I only started riding dirt bikes about a year ago, and look at all the progress that we have made. Honestly, I think it's the bike experience I have. I started riding BMX, but now I'm into downhill mountain biking, and now I'm into dirt bikes. So now I do downhill and I do dirt bikes. So definitely experience is needed for this type of stuff. Just keep going at it and just practice all the time. Just have fun with it, but do not be scared. Honestly, this ramp is crazy. I explained to you guys before. You have to go fast on this ramp. If you go slow, you want to go faster because you know the difference. You're like, yo, I got to go faster. And we are jumping huge on this, getting massive air. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, whatever. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.